Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites and getting hands-on immediately. Create and activate a virtual environment, then pip install Streamlit plus your model libraries so versions stay isolated. Next, place the trained model file into your project and write a small loader function that returns a predict input call. Once done, scaffold a basic Streamlit app. Pi with import Streamlit as sent, a title, and a placeholder for model inference so you can iterate quickly. Now integrate the model into the app and create the user flow. Build UI controls like text input, file uploader, and sliders, then validate and normalize inputs before sending them to the model. Load the model once with sent cache resource or a module-level singleton to avoid reloading on each interaction, and wrap inference calls in try/, except to handle runtime errors gracefully. Finally, display outputs with sent write or sent data frame, and include preprocessing and finish by testing and deploying the working app. Run Streamlit app. Pi locally and exercise edge cases. Make sure to pin dependency versions and requirements. TXT. When stable, create a Docker file that sets workdir, copies files, installs requirements, exposes 8501, and starts Streamlit. Deploy to your chosen host and monitor logs for memory or CPU issues. If something breaks, check model loading errors first. Common causes are mismatched library versions or corrupted artifacts, and reproduce locally before changing deployment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.